Welcome to the airport with me, Poco C40, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on that device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll down to the passwords and security. Then click here to the privacy section and you'll see here the SIM lock section. Click to your mobile network, and just to unlock to remove SIM pin from our SIM card, we should click here once on the switcher, and after that we should enter our currently pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully removed the pin code from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.